So, I've been taking apart my, Wii U Pro controller because the A button got stuck, which, this is out. Yeah, I have the screws off already. Which, oh, here it is. It's over here. There you go. See, this is cut right here. It's cut right here. There's a cut right there. That's to, fit around, like, the joystick, because it's right next to it. But the problem is, see, I want to make it to where the X button doesn't work instead of the A button. See, I pressed the A button so much there's a hole there now. And the rubber, like, fell out somewhere into the controller. But even if I put the rubber back in, it doesn't work. So, I want to make it to where the X button doesn't work instead of, like this, I think. Let's see. Oh, I forgot. How do I forget this? Come on. Okay, button's on that side. So, instead of being like this, instead of being like this, I want it to be like this. But I can't do that because I'll show you. Yeah, the reason I can't do it is because I'm showing you guys. Yep. And, hold on, I need to set you guys down for a second. Okay. Because, as I said earlier, it has a cut in it to counter the joystick being in the way, which means it will only fit in that one position, making the A button unusable. If I want the X button unusable, it won't really fit. See, that's our problem. I could just try pushing it in, like, no, see, it's not on. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to try and manually, like, cut it if I want it to work. But I don't really want to do that, but the whole point of this was to fix the A button. Which, quote-unquote, fixing it is not an option because the rubber thing fell out. See, actually, here it is. Here's the little rubber peg that's supposed to be attached to this right here. See? Right here. Put it in there. It's supposed to be like... what the heck? What's that you going on? There you go. Right there. Come on. Get in there. A little useless piece of rubber now. Hold on. Fit in the stupid... the board back on. Where is it? There it is. There's our little hole. And there's our other little hole. Okay. We need our screws. That doesn't look particularly right. But it doesn't look wrong either. Is that how it was before? I guess it was. I mean, I can't really... I can't change the position of the screw peg, so, yeah. Put this guy in. Get that one in. Now, where? Is there a screw peg right there? Yeah, okay, that's why it was looking weird. There's one right here. Yeah, that's why it was looking weird. Put that guy in. And then we'll see if the A button is revived or not. Nah, it's still dead. Well, I mean, that's all the other buttons. They work fine. They seem looser now, which means I probably didn't tighten this well enough. Could just probably put like a spring in there. Is the A button stuck pressed down? That's the problem. Well, that's not the best. And we have our the joysticks and the D-pad here. But man, I don't really know what to do about that. The broken button. So I'm gonna stop this here, and I'll come back to you guys when I feel like I found a solution or I give up. See ya. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken the, flip this over. I've taken the rubber from the minus button and put it in the A button and had to trim it down a bit. So look, I can sort of press it, but it doesn't make noise. These make noise, but I can still press down on it now. But I don't know if that's actually going to work, so I'm going to try, like, putting it together. We're going to turn on the Wii U, see how that goes. So, let me find something to hold you guys up. Just use this large box of chunk pieces. You guys watch me reassemble my poor dead Pro controller. I need to put the joysticks back on. Come on, there you go. Now, where's the screw? There they are. This does not feel like wanting to go down right. There we go. Okie dokie, give us a screw. No, wait. I'll put these on yet. Maybe not. Let's see. So, if I were to, no, I did not put them on yet. Anything I do put on yet? Nope. So now I just need to fit this guy on properly. How on earth shall I do that, I wonder? Ooh. How do you go on? Oh, wait, yeah, right. I'm forgetting something. These dudes need screws as well. No! Gosh, I'm gonna lose them. And I'm gonna fall down somewhere into the controller. No, you don't have a magnet, you stupid screwdriver. Gosh. My life would be so much easier if you had a magnet. Get out of here. Just let's do this side first then. There we go. Better. Probably should be using a small screwdriver, but whatever. There we go. Here's our other screw. Let's try to get hit this time correctly. There we go. Again, I should probably be using the small screwdriver, but whatever. Okay, I think I just pushed it on it just to see. The button seem. The A button doesn't seem. Yeah, I don't think I actually fixed it. I don't think I actually fixed it, but I had to put all this stuff back on. How does that work? These buttons didn't move at all, but once I put the screw in, they did not change places at all. And somehow then it makes the... Ooh, that is so confusing. Let's get these over here. Come on, all my screws. By the way, if you're wondering, I think it's around 12:30 right now. And I started this late last night at around 12 in the morning. And yeah. And so just if you're wondering, all I did was take apart the controllers and I assessed the problem. I didn't actually do any fixing last night. I did it all today with you guys. So you're not missing out on anything. Besides me messing up trying to take apart the controller, probably. I actually remember, I probably messed up a few times. And yeah, see, there was a sticker right here. And I kept trying to pull the back off. And underneath the sticker was 2 screws, and I almost broke it. But then I tried pulling the sticker off, because I thought, well, maybe there's some more screws. And then, yeah, there they were. That evil little sticker almost made me break my controller. Is that enough screws? Yeah. So we're just going to get some batteries, pop those in, and see if it works. So, yeah. So, here we are. I just have to hook up the Wii U, because it happens to be unhooked. There we go. Yo, Ouija.
This Pro controller works.
Turns on. This. No, no! No!
It doesn't work.
The A button is still broken.
Oh.
Hey, the back buttons work again.
Well, that's good.
2 points. 2 out of 3 buttons fixed. Oh, that's not funny. And I killed the minus button trying to fix the A button. So now I don't have the negative button, whatever that is supposed to do. And the back buttons were kind of unnecessary because I have the two top L buttons. Oh no. But I suppose I could still play a few games. That button goes in and out. It doesn't do anything!
A button's broken, guys. A.
Well, I guess that's it for this. If there's anything else I'll show you. Goodbye. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching me take apart my Pro Controller and stuff. And yeah, I just want to say thank you for watching. Comment down below what you think I should do next, and if you like it when I take apart electronics and stuff. Because if you do, I'll do more of that. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.